Imagine a factory full of tiny workers. These workers are bacteria, the simplest and oldest forms of life. They come in different shapes, like balls, rods, and spirals, and do important jobs. Some make food using sunlight, like cyanobacteria, while others help in breaking down waste. They don't have a true nucleus, just like the tiny workers don't have a personal office. They work directly on the factory floor. Kingdom Protista? Think of a magical bag that contains all sorts of odd and unique creatures. Protists are like the creatures in this bag. They are mostly single-celled and can do amazing things. Some, like algae, make their own food using sunlight, just like plants. Others, like protozoa, hunt for food, like tiny animals. Protists have a true nucleus, which is like having a little control center in their cells. Imagine a team of tiny janitors that clean up the environment by breaking down dead stuff. Fungi are like these janitors. They include molds, mushrooms, and yeasts. Fungi don't make their own food. Instead, they absorb nutrients from decaying matter. They have a structure called hyphae, which is like a network of tiny threads that spread out to find food. Kingdom Plantae. Picture a field of solar-powered factories. Plants are like these factories. They use sunlight to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Plants have roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. They are an essential part of life on Earth because they provide oxygen and food for many other organisms. Kingdom Animalia. Imagine a bustling city full of diverse citizens. Animals are like these citizens. They range from tiny insects to large elephants. Animals cannot make their own food, so they eat plants or other animals. They have complex bodies with many different parts working together, just like a city's infrastructure. Think of tiny invaders that need to get inside someone's house to survive and multiply. Viruses are like these invaders. They are not considered fully alive because they can't live or reproduce on their own. They need to infect a host cell and take over its machinery to make more viruses. They can cause diseases like the flu or the common cold. Viroids are even tinier than viruses. They are like miniature invaders that only consist of a short strand of RNA, genetic material. They infect plants and cause diseases, but they don't have any protein coat like viruses do. Imagine two best friends working together. Lichens are a team of fungi and algae, or cyanobacteria, living together in a symbiotic relationship. The algae make food through photosynthesis, while the fungi provide a safe place to live. Together, they can survive in harsh environments, like rocks and tree bark.